Good day to our principal, teacher, parents, classmates, friends, and to our Almighty God who has guided us here. Standing before you today, I am not here because I am the smartest, but because I am the proof that even the road ahead is still far. We have traveled a great distance. Fellow graduates, this moment is more than just a ceremony. It's the result of every late night we stayed up to finish a project. Every early morning we drug ourselves out of the bed. Every challenge we overcame. And every dream we hold on to when it felt easier to let go. My own journey wasn't easy. There were days I worried if I had enough for school needs, if I could finish my task on time, or if I could even keep going. But here I am. And here we all are. Because we didn't let the hardships stop us. We pushed forward even when the odds weren't in our favor. I've learned that success is not just about grades or medals. It's about the courage to rise every time we fall, the patience to keep trying when it's hard, and the faith that things will get better. To anyone who feels there are struggles, especially those who, like me, face financial challenges too, remember, your situation does not define your future. Your determination does. Today is not my victory alone, it is yours. To our parents, thank you for your endless sacrifices and love. To our teachers, thank you for lessons inside and outside the classroom. To our classmates and friends, thank you for the laughter, the support, the memories we've shared, and most of all, to God, thank you for giving strength when we had none. Graduates, the roads ahead may be still long, but we've proven we can walk it. If we've made it here, we can go further, even further. Let's keep moving forward for our dreams, for our families, and for ourselves. Congratulations, class of 2025-2026. Padayon.
Okay, he's been